Hey there, superstar. This is Wesley, billion dollar version with another video. Listen, I'm going to show you real quickly here. Look at me here. How to make money online every 10 seconds, okay? There are millions of ways to make money, and I'm going to show you proof right here in this video. I'm going to show you my account, and you're going to see that they pay you out. And the great thing about it, it's worldwide, baby. Africa. It's worldwide. Bora Bora, Philippines, India. It doesn't matter where you live. You can do this right now. Here, I'm making a lot of money. Okay, let me show you something. This is one of my accounts. I'm going to be very transparent. I'm probably the only internet marketer to actually log into an account to see the money. Because I don't want you to listen to me right now if I'm not getting results. As you can see here, 8/18, almost $3,000 for today. As you can see here, August 18th, Tuesday. And I'm making money like this all day long. Now listen, if you want me to help you, show you how to do that, in the description below, I teach hundreds of thousands of people every single day. Smart people, dumb people, tall people, pretty people, it doesn't matter, to make their first $10,000 in the first month within 60 days flat. That full training link is below. But right now, let's get into the video, okay? As promised. Listen, the name of the site is called bucksinside.com. It's simple, it's easy. Now listen, yes, disclaimer, it is not going to make you a multi-millionaire, but you get paid basically browsing their website, right? I just did it. Look, you see here? Let me show you something here. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that. They paid me like, I think that's like a half a cent. And I just opened up the web page and they paid me out money. So the longer you stay here, they keep sending you money every 10 seconds. Does that make sense? And guess what? It's a free account. When you log in, you get your account here. And then as a member, you basically, every 10 seconds while you're browsing other people's ads on this website here, they're going to pay you. So what I like to do, I just leave it right there, right? Or I give it to my son, my daughter, and let them just browse and click on ads all day, so I don't have to pay them an allowance, right? Now, disclaimer, you do, if you want to make more money, I know a guy right now, he's making it's crazy, he's making $12 every 10 seconds. He's a beast, right? In this platform, and you can do the same thing as well. All you have to do is, basically, let me log out real quickly here. Let me take you through the login process, okay? You with me? So look, you hit the word register here. I just want to prove to you so you know that anybody can do this, okay? Here we go, username. I like a username like this, billionaire. Or say if you're trying to be a millionaire, let's do it for you, okay? Because I like you. Yeah, I like you. You like me? Smash the like, buddy. Let's go! Smash it, baby. Look, here we go. Millionaire. Now listen, this is a millionaire tip for you because I am a millionaire. And it's cool. It's not a big deal. But I use usernames that are aligned with my goals, okay? So millionaire now, okay? You put in your email. We're going to put a fake email in here very quickly here. Okay? This is what I want you to do. If you're smart, you're doing this like with me. Like just don't look at me. Get your laptop and do it with me here, okay? Start making money right now. This is good for teenagers and good for people that sit at home all day and do nothing, okay? Depending on your country here, as you can see, if you're in Japan, Europe, Bulgaria, Australia, they pay everybody out. That's why I love this site. Smash the like button and I will keep creating videos for worldwide, okay? And also in the comment section below, place where you're calling from, where you are on the planet, to make sure I keep creating videos that serve everybody, okay? Including you. All right, look. Payment method, PayPal, Avid Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, Bitcoin, Payer. So the thing is, they have multiple ways to pay you out, which is cool. And you put your birth year. So I'm going to put here, PayPal, birth year. Oh, you know what? I was born in 2004. Let's go! So, got a captcha here. We're going to click here. And then it's that easy. I'm done. What did it say? Okay, it wants me to do a username that has alphanumeric. So basically, you get it, right? What they do is they're going to send your email, okay? Let me log into my account. And then you just verify the email. And it takes you back here. and then you log back in just like this, and you do the captcha here. Look for the flag. Where's the flag? Where's the flag here? Log in now, and bam, you're in there, okay? And you just start making money immediately here, okay? So you click on view ads, and bam, you're done. You click your view fixed ads. So as you can see here, I'm already making money, okay? If I hit next, see that right there? So the thing is, every time a website loads like this, right, you stay there for 10 seconds, you get paid. Make sense? Every single time. So details, visit the site, blah, 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 deny. You see that? So the thing is, all they're going to do on this website, and listen, if you wait to the very end, I'm going to show you something cool. See if you don't want to do it. See if you want somebody else to do it. I'm going to show you how to get other people to do it for you. I do this all day long. I mean, I just get other people on these type of sites to do it for me. And listen, I'm not making $1 million, but I make like $500 a month, $1,000 a month, just from websites like this. And I'm going to show you a trick if you stay to the very end. Okay, now check it out. So you see this? That's all you have to do. They pay out once you hit about, I think 5 cents. They start paying you out every single day. You can withdraw the money and you can put it right into your bank account and you can use it to buy all the great things that you want. Now listen here. You might say, well, Wesley, how do we put this on autopilot? Because me, like, I'm a multi-millionaire. My business does about $1 million per month online, okay? And listen, it's not one company. I have 15 companies online. You can do your research on me. You can type in Wesley Virgin Net Worth to find all about me, okay? But what's important is that you can put this type of business right here, Bucks Inside, on autopilot. So you can sit, listen, I'm sure you're sitting in your bed, in your chair, you're looking at me, you have a pretty smile on your face because you're ready to start making money. But check this out. Go to this website right here. Go to guru.com, okay? Let's go! Hey, smash the like button, baby. I'm giving you value. Smash the like button, and I will continue to create videos like this to make money online easier. Think about it like this. If you use 10 of the different videos that I've created on my YouTube channel right here, right? If you use 10 different videos, and all 10 videos are all 10 ways to make money, if you take 10 and you make $50 a day, 10 times 50 is $500 a day. That's $15,000 a month, okay? All internet marketers, we make money on different companies. Leverage yourself, okay? That's cool? All right, that one's for free, but hit the like button if you'd like that advice because it's powerful. Blue is my favorite color, okay? And here's the site here. Okay, well, this is my actual, this is my account. As you can see, I hire people every day, right? I have a lot of people that work for me, but you can use Guru basically to hire a person, okay? You can hire somebody from this website, and basically they would do all this work for you. So they would do all the surfing for you, okay? Just in case you don't have any kids. Now, I've seen one guy, he had his dog do it. Yeah, I know it's crazy. A dog was browsing the website some type of way, and he was getting paid. But listen, if you're just like me, I don't have a dog. I don't have a cat. I love dogs. I love animals, but I just don't have one. But listen, Guru, right here, you can hire somebody for $2 an hour, $2 a day, whatever. And you can say, hey, go to this website and look up here. You see this right here? See what it says balance 5, a half a penny? I just made that right now just by making this video. All right, it's crazy. This money just comes in every 10 seconds, by the way. And I would have that person do all the website browsing for me, okay? I'll say, hey, just stay on this website till you get about $5, okay? That may take all day. I'm not sure, right? I know some kids, I'm a part of this private group. I know some kids, they are killing this thing. They found a way how to basically make $10 every single hour, which is crazy, right? I know one guy, he's in, where is he at? In Europe, and he makes $12 every freaking 10 seconds. It's crazy. I don't know. I mean, listen, if you want to be a master of this, you have to study it. You have to understand it. You have to try different methods to make the money. And there's so many methods, white hat and black hat, to actually make a lot of money from these websites, right? It's just other people that pay to get their banner advertised. And then from that money, you browse it and they pay you a portion of the money. That's just how it works, okay? So, do you love me Or do you love me? Let's go! So yes, in the link below, grab the full training. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Much love. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let go.